Want to know how you can set up your list and email marketing? So every time you go out to share a campaign or an email, whatever it is, you are going to give yourself and your email the best possible chance of getting into someone's inbox. Let's take a look. Hey there, I'm SJ. I am the director and founder of The Automation Girl, and I love all things email marketing. And today I want to share with you 2 things that you can do to prepare your email, getting ready to send out whatever it is that you want to do. And this can be in any email marketing software, CRM system that you're using. It doesn't matter. These are just 2 things that I like to do before I send anything out, and I encourage you to do the same. And the reason for this is because the little bots in the cyber world are getting more intelligent every single day. And I think it's our responsibility to do the best our end to make sure that we're getting into people's inboxes and we're not being marked as spam as best as we can. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your contacts, and you actually want to get rid of anyone who's unsubscribed. Now, even though a lot of the softwares don't count them, like they won't send someone who's unsubscribed an email, it's just really good practice to get rid of those who have unsubscribed, and do not go down the rabbit hole of, oh my gosh, these people have unsubscribed, I've got 50, I've got 100, whatever. Get rid of them. You don't need them. It will help you keep your list clean, and when you're sending something out, if you've got a really super clean list where people aren't subscribing as much, and I'm trying to not get you to really get caught up on the unsubscribes. It's just, trust me, it's better for you to get rid of the unsubscribes and have a completely clean list. The next thing is to go in and do the same thing, but with those emails who have bounced, because the more bounces you get, the more you're going to get flagged as sending spam, because it's either Gmail, Hotmail, whoever, who are going, actually, this looks like spam, we don't want to take this email. And if you keep sending those same people emails and it keeps bouncing, you're going to keep getting those flags. Basically, I'd go through and I'd get rid of all of those that you can that have bounced. Obviously, if you're like me and you've got members and the members' emails have bounced, then you just need to go and contact them members, let them know that their email's bounced. Either it'll be incorrect email, like there's a typo in there, or their system has said, actually, this is spam, into which you just need to find a different email and update them. So that's 2 things that you can do that can help you get a better score in the bot world of cyberspace email to get your emails in your contacts inboxes. I want to give you a bonus tip as well for how you can get a better score. Now, we can't actually see these scores. That's just rated on whoever it is that the person's inbox is related to, Gmail, Hotmail, Outlook, whatever. But if you can ask the person a question in whatever email you're sending out that gets them to respond to your email, will give you better credibility. So if you can ask, say you're sharing about a problem and giving them a solution to the problem, you could be asking them at the end, for example, with me, it would be, do you have anything in your business that you hate doing? Let's see if we can get that automated. Hit reply, let me know. Just by them replying to your email, bumps you up, gives you a better score in that actually you're not sending spam and people are actually replying to your emails. So this is really important, especially in your welcoming emails. If it's for an opt-in, lead magnet, whatever it is, pop a question in there. If you can get them to reply to the first email that you send them, then you are setting yourself up as a winner in their inbox. So there you go. I've lost 2, I've made it 3. Number 1 was making sure you get rid of all your unsubscribes and just get rid of them. Don't worry about them. They're not your people. Delete and move on. Number 2, get rid of all the bounced. So anyone's email, make sure there's not a typo in there, make sure you do have the correct email address, pop a new one in there if it is a customer, otherwise delete them as well. And then number 3 is making sure that you try and get as many people as possible to reply to any email that you send to them, which is going to help you get a better score that you've got legit emails being sent out from your email marketing. So I hope that helps. I hope that brings some light to your email marketing. I want your emails to be successful. I want your business to be successful. If you do have anything in your business that you absolutely hate doing and you'd love to learn if you can automate it or not, send it through, and I'd love the challenge of being able to put out there of how you can automate it. I'm SJ. We'll catch you next time.